So in this video, I am gonna compare Wix versus WordPress. So let me tell you that what are these softwares are and why you need to watch this video. So firstly, what are Wix and WordPress? Wix and WordPress are the web development softwares which help you to create a website and sometimes app through using WordPress without doing any kind of coding. You need not to know any kind of knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. You just know the designing a bit, and if you don't know the designing, you can directly get it from the additional template option which are present in these softwares. So let's start. I'm going to compare these both softwares on the 5 different bases. First is that easy to use, how much these softwares are easy to use. Second, management, these softwares are easy to manage. Third, community, how big the community of these softwares are, means if you got any kind of trouble, any kind of problem, from whom you will ask the problem, and there needs to be a developers and different people. Fourth, look wise, means the template and the different look wise different features, like in that category. Fifth, the most important, pricing, which web development software provides the cheapest price and the most features. So the very first thing is easy to use. Wix, it's very easy to use for the first time. It may cause you difficulty, and WordPress also may cause you difficulty at the starting, but after when you go through from all these things, you know which function is used for which thing. You can get an idea. But for now, Wix got the opportunity because Wix has a pretty easy layout and you can do anything. But in case of WordPress, there are lots of different web development builders, like the website builders like Elementor, which makes you confused. Wix. Updating, which is best? For me, WordPress is completely the winner in this scenario because WordPress has lots of different tools which you can use to upgrade your website. Even though if you want to add a new feature in Wix, there is a very high chance that you will not gonna get that plugin or not gonna get that tool. But in WordPress, you have a surety that whatever you want in your website, you'll definitely gonna get a tool. So WordPress wins and Wix loses. Second is community. No doubt WordPress is the winner here because Wix is the latest one and WordPress is in this industry from a very long time, and it's a clear check for the WordPress because there is a very big community of WordPress, of developers, of people who use WordPress, and different bloggers also. Look a website. If it's a comparison between WordPress and a Squarespace, I'll definitely gonna get this point to the Squarespace because Squarespace has a variety of amazing looking templates. But in this scenario, WordPress has a very big quantity of amazing looking templates, and Wix also has amazing looking templates, but the quantity is very less. But the quality of Wix templates are very high. So it's a doubt thing that which wins this. If we don't go on the quantity, I think Wix should win because the quality matters, man, not the quantity. Because Wix, the template which are available in the Wix, they are literally amazing looking. And even though it has a feature of AI designing, which WordPress doesn't give you or tool for your website. Pricing, the most competitive thing. Both that website development tools, softwares provide free tier also, in which you can use these softwares to create a website, but they're gonna give you a subdomain over which your website is there, and also free hosting also. In case of Wix, it is .wix.com. In case of WordPress, it is .wordpress.com. But in terms of pricing, if you want to go from free to paid, Wix charges around $2 to $5, but WordPress charges a lot, around $5 to $10. But in this scenario, the WordPress is the winner, the Wix is the winner because It's solely it provides a free thing. But in case of WordPress is the winner of another different condition where you bought the hosting and domain from a separate company and you installed WordPress on that server. And yeah, here the WordPress is free for you, but you have to pay just for the domain and hosting. For this scenario, I think Wix is the winner because on the sole purpose basis, uh, WordPress is pretty expensive. So Wix has 3, WordPress has 2. So you know the answer. If you are a beginner, and you are really want to try these softwares, this comparison would gonna help you in this scenario. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. And if you are professional, don't follow this thing. It's a completely thing for the beginners. Don't follow professionals because you have worked in industry and you know how good is WordPress. It's this scenario, this comparison is good for the beginners because yeah, beginners need some easy to use because they really don't know from where they should start. But in case of professionals, you should definitely go with the WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this comparison. Go subscribe to this channel and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.